morning. Today, going to see the case study video testing of hypothesis, application, and the case study problems. Also, first, going to see the application of the testing of hypothesis in this case study video. Start.
Myself Divya from the secondary CSE department. I am going to explain the applications of hypothesis testing in engineering. Hypothesis testing is used in quality control to check whether products meet required standards. It is used in process improvement to compare old and new methods and find a better efficiency. Engineers use it in material testing to check the strength and durability of the materials. It helps in reliability testing to analyze the failure rate of the machines. In product design, it is used to verify whether a new design is better than the old one. The further will be continued by Hima.
So, and the reliability analysis, it tests the lifespan of components and systems, and design validation ensures design to perform as expected. Method comparison, compare efficiency of different techniques or algorithm, and environmental testing. It checks whether the population levels are against our standards. Signal detection, identify the presence of signals in noise. Software testing, evaluate performance improvements or bug reduction. Production decisions, it decides the acceptance of batches or suppliers. So further will be continued.
Next, chi-square. Chi-square is a test for independence of attributes. To find chi-square, there is a formula. Summation OI minus EI the whole square by EI, where OI is observed frequency, EI is expected frequency. To find EI, total row into column total by whole total. Next is degree of freedom. Degree of freedom can be defined as omega is equal to gamma. Degrees of freedom is equal to can be defined as gamma. Gamma can be find to C minus 1 R minus 1.
Now we are going to see a problem on the above topic. On the basis of noted loop, find out whether the new treatment is comparatively superior to the conventional one. We have a table in that new favorable is 60, not favorable 30 and total 90. In conventional, favorable is 40, not favorable is 70, total is 110. The total favorable is 100, not favorable 100, and the total is 200. Given in this problem, we are going to find out EI. We have a formula to find out EI. EI is equal to row total into column total divided by the whole total. We have a value is equal to row total is equal to 90 into column total is 100 divided by whole total 200. We get the value 45. The first value of EI is 45. Then we are going to find out the second value. The second value is 90 into 100 by 200 is equal to 45. The same value occurs. The second value of EI also 45. In the third, 100 into 110 divided by 200, the third EI value is 55, and the fourth EI value is equal to 100 into 110 into 200, and the fourth EI value is equal to 55. Now we are going to see the table value. OI 60, 30, 40 and 70. EI values 45, 45, 55, 55, and we are going to find out OI minus EI. We need to subtract EI from OI. 60 minus 45, 15, 30 minus 45 minus 15, 40 minus 55 minus 15, 70 minus 55, 15. Now we are going to square the OI minus EI value. 15 square 225. Minus 15 square is also 225, and minus 15 square 225, and the last value 15 square is 225. Now we are going to find out OI minus EI whole square divided by EI. So the first value of it is 5, second value is 5, third value is 4.09, and the final value is 4.09, and the total of OI minus EI the whole square divided by EI is 18.18. We assume that H naught Hi as null hypothesis. Now, null hypothesis represents there is no difference between new and conventional treatment. Alternative hypothesis represents there is a difference between new and conventional treatment. Level of significance value is 5%. Test statics I square is equal to summation of OI minus EI the whole square by EI. We already have the values 18.18. The degree of freedom gamma is equal to C minus 1 into R minus 1. The C value is 2 minus 1 and R we know the R value 2 minus 1. The final is 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Chi square alpha is equal to 3.841. The conclusion is chi square is equal to 18.18 is greater than 3.841 is 841. So H naught is finally rejected. Thank you.